Okay, so there was actually some problems with the last video I was trying to make, and as a result I'm going to narrate this next video. So today we're going to eat Patbingsu. So as you can see behind me, you can probably see a long line of people. That's because we're eating at a restaurant called Homilbat. Now, Homilbat Patbingsu is located in Sinchon, and I actually have directions on the website. Now, normally the wait time could be a good 45 minutes, but since the weather is rainy, the line is considerably shorter. So, let's go in there and check it out. What makes Homilbat Patbingsu so famous is its simplicity. Now, most places that you eat Patbingsu, they tend to add all sorts of things like cornflakes and sprinkles and syrup. But you know, that stuff's not even Patbingsu. That's like diabetes waiting to happen. But Patbingsu offers a very simple recipe that most people tend to like. In addition to that, they also make their own red beans. And it's not the really extremely sweet kind of red beans where they add extra sugar. It's very natural, I guess you can say. Also, I don't know if you can see very well, but the ice at Homilbat is very finely ground. Very fine. It's very different from places like Paris Baguette, where their ice is very big and chunky, and sometimes when you bite into it, it's just pure ice. But if you can see, since it's so fine that whenever you touch it with your finger, the ice like literally melts. Now, another thing about Homilbat Patbingsu is that they serve the beans separately. So you can customize basically every bite with however much Patbingsu as you want. So if you want more beans, you could just get more beans and take a bite separately. And what this does is, since you don't have the red beans and the ice mixed, most people tend to mix the red beans and all that, but that causes the patbingsu to melt, so you have to eat it faster. But since they're separate, that means the ice can stay like cooler and more solid for longer times. That's really awesome, and you get pretty much unlimited refills, so you keep coming back and get all these like red beans that you want. It's really awesome. It's really damn healthy. First of all, I mean, you might think it's strange to eat red bean as a dessert, but trust me, it's pretty good, and it's not overly sweet as most Western foods. And here we have two kinds of bingsu. We have the plain one, or the more classic version, which is what homilbat is famous for. And we have the guail patbingsu, that is with the fruit. Now I usually get the strawberry one, but I want a little bit more colors for you guys, and so I hope you guys can try this one day. And yeah, I gotta say I'm sorry about the mic. It happens, what can I say? But you guys, if you find yourself in Korea, you can find directions to this place at my blog, so please check it out. And I hope to see you guys next time.